Yeah, good. Still remember it's a humble self Ukikichi is a glory, and I'll be taking you on equations involving fractions. Now, by the end of this lecture or lessons thereabout, it's expected of you to be able to clear fractions in algebraic equations, and also you should be able to solve equations with unknowns in the denominator, and as well solve word problems involving fractions, and then solve equations with binomials in the denominator. So first and first, we'll be looking at clearing fractions in algebraic equations. So let's proceed. Now let's say for example, but just bear in mind, like we did in our previous tutorials, talk about when you have equations, so let's say algebraic equations, it's expected of you to clear the fractions before beginning to solve that equations, and for you to do that is just simply multiplying each term in the equation by the LCM, lowest common multiple of the denominators of the fraction. So now say our first problem will be to solve, say we'll ask to solve the equation x minus 4 over 5 is equal to 2 minus x over 2. Now denominators here is 5 and 2, and here we're told that x minus 4 over 5 is equal to 2 minus x over 2. Now if you look, we have 5 and 2 as the denominators, and now the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Simply multiply 5 by 2 give you 10, because if for example we want to look for the LCM, we'll say let's come to this right hand side, and let me try to find the LCM of 5 and 2. We have 5 and 2 here. I'll say 2 goes first, and we have 5. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Next thing is 5. 5 into 5 is 1. So we're left with 2, 5, which is 2 times 5, which is equals to 10. So the LCM of 5 and 2 here is 10. So what we do now is to simply multiply the whole equation here by 10. So you say 10 multiply x minus 4 over 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by 2 minus 10 into x over 2. So this can also be bracketed. Let's see in brackets. Okay, now so let's let me screw this down. So continue. Now 5 divide 10. Let's say 5, 1, 2. So we have 2 into x minus 4 is equal to, this is 2 times 10 is 20. Let's divide these two, have 1, here we have 5 minus 5x. So that's what we're left with. And now let's continue by clearing these brackets. We have 2 times x will give us 2x minus 8 is equal to 20 minus 5x. Now 2x minus 8 is equal to 20. Okay, now let's add x. Let's try to take the ones with x to one side. Say this minus 5. Let's move minus 5 to this side simply by adding 5x to both sides. Now I have let's say 2x. Okay, let's say 5x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 20 minus 5x plus 5x. So you're just simply adding 5x to both sides. Now this one goes off. Minus 5x plus 5x is 0. Now we're left with 5x plus 2x, which is 7x minus 8 is equal to 20. Now take 8 to 20 just simply by adding 8 to both sides. Say is equal to minus 8, move over to the right hand side, becomes addition, give you 20 plus 8. Okay, now if we continue, let me scroll this thing down a bit. Okay, now left with 7x is equal to 20 plus 8 is 28, and now we have divide both sides by 7. 7x over 7 is equal to 28 over 7, and this will give us what? 4 after division. So now 7 cancel 7, we're left with x is equal to 4. Now our answer is 4. So since our answer is 4, we'll have to check to see if truly we are right. Now we're going to check the left hand side and also on the right hand side, because we were told at the beginning that x minus 4 over 5 is equal to 2 minus x over 2. X minus 4 over 5, x minus 4 over 5 is equal to 2 minus x over 2. Now let's check the left hand side, which is this side. We'll also check the right hand side to see if it's correct. Now x minus 4, we have to insert the value of x into this equation here, or say this binomial. Now I have x is equal to 4. Now I have 4 minus 4 over 5. 4 minus 4 is 0 over 5, and 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. Now let's check 2 minus x over 2, which is the right hand side. Remember x is 4, so we have 2 minus x over 2. This is also the same thing as we have x is 4, so we have 4 minus, sorry, no, this should be 2 minus 4 over 2. 2 here, 1 into this is 2, so we have 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So definitely, if this is our left hand side result, which is 0, and this is our right hand side, which is also 0, definitely it is equal. Definitely it means x minus 4 over 5 is equal to 2 minus x over 2. So we are correct.